Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. So we just can't get off the ground here, yeah. And for me, that just puts again more emphasis on the bearish count here, which is the primary count anyway. Also, we have a small head and shoulders pattern emerging on the chart, which would be a further confirmation of the continuation of the yellow downtrend here. The yellow bearish count, wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 down, wave 4 up, wave 5 down. That is sort of how I would ideally see this play out, and then at the end of the wave 5, maybe around 22-23 cents, the overall bear market could be over. At least that is what I could imagine in an ideal way would happen now. We can of course also be in the white wave count, that is the bullish count, but as always there is usually, especially in larger trend reversal areas, there is a bullish and a bearish count, and I have to show you the bullish count as well, just so that you are aware of it and that you know where can, for example, even if the bearish count is the primary, for example, there's no guarantee it works out, of course. Nobody has a crystal ball, but the different counts serve the purpose that you understand where is low risk, high reward, where is a possible low risk and high reward trade setup. And if you look at this, I mean, we've pulled back to key support now, and even if my primary count would point towards downside, from a key support level, you can always get a bounce to the upside, for example. It's not necessarily anything I would trade, but of course there is a bullish count available. I wouldn't trade this because it is currently low probability, but it is certainly a possible trade setup. Low risk, high reward, because if it does work out, you're basically getting quite a lot for the low risk that you have used or entered, or the low risk that is involved with the trade, because we are so close to key support. The stop loss can be set quite tight, but bear in mind, and that's the risk with it, we don't have any confirmed trend change yet. All we've got is one higher high and one higher low. Yeah, what you would normally want, you want at least 3 higher highs and 3 higher lows to get a trend change confirmed. And as you know, in Elliott wave, we believe that we want to see a 5-wave structure, which basically is exactly what I said, 3 higher highs. So yeah, at the moment, what this is at best a very, very messy bullish structure. The bullish count would suggest that all of this was a leading diagonal in a wave 1. We came down in a wave 2. Then we talked about it yesterday that this could have been off the wave 3, yeah, which would be somewhere up there, I think around 37 cents. That this here could have been a wave 1 off the wave 3. We came down in a wave 2 of the wave 3 and would now have to rally in a wave 3 of the wave 3. As you can see, you don't see anything, right? It's not doing it. So, and that is again why my bullish count, or why I see the bullish count really with in terms of having quite a low probability of working out. So the target, for example, for the yellow wave 3 would already have to be 32.4 cents. I just don't see it at the moment. Yeah, this move up as well, it's not really bullish. No impulse, just corrective mess. You can see overlaps here all over the place, and this looks like an emerging head and shoulders pattern. The left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, which just means that you make a higher high and a lower high, and it just means the bulls, they are losing confidence, they are losing power basically. Yeah, they're not in control. And if this neckline, which is sort of a bit of a dynamic price here, so I can't really give you an absolute price, but let's say around 31 cents, it's obviously the ascending trend line, that you could call that the neckline. If that breaks, it could send us down lower, of course. Yeah, and let's just take the height of the head, so that's just roughly as target, and it would take us down to around 30 cents. 30 cents is the next key support, basically here, this previous swing low. And if we lose that, yeah, then I think the yellow count is strongly in control. I think even at the moment the yellow count is in control, but obviously as long as we are constrained in this ascending channel, the price can bounce a little bit. Yeah, but as soon as we break below it and lose the 30 cent level, then I think we can reach here the target of the yellow wave 3 around 27 cents. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.